In this video, I'll show you how to create a conversion event tag in Google Ads so you can track important actions on your website like purchases, sign-ups, or form submissions. Conversion tracking helps advertisers understand which ads are actually driving results, making it easier to optimize campaigns based on real performance data. Start by logging into your Google Ads account and clicking Goals on the left menu, then select Conversions and open the Summary section. Here, click Create Conversion Action and choose Website as the source if you want to track activity happening on your site. Enter your website URL so Google can guide the setup process. Next, install the Google tag by going to Tools, opening Data Manager, and selecting Manage under your Google tag. You can install it using a website builder integration or manually by placing the code in your site's header section. After installation, return to Conversions and create a conversion event with a clear name and category so reporting stays organized. Keep in mind that data may take some time to appear, and testing your tag can help confirm everything is working correctly. Subscribe for more clear and practical Google Ads tutorials.